Rolling right through, and right now Thea Hale is feeling it. But Thea doesn't see, rising from the ashes was Zarya. Big belly-to-back suplex, and I know you were saying, oh God, you saw what was about to happen. You actually feel bad for Thea Hale?
No, gosh, no. Don't get it twisted.
Yes, oh, nice counter! And there it is, looking for the submission one more time is Thea. Thea right now trying to transition into a front face lock, did so, but I believe she's trying to book her to get to that Kimura.
And Thea Hale right now, she's doing everything she possibly can to get this leg locked. She's got it locked. She's got it locked in, man.
That Kimura is cinched in right now. And the Kimura cinched in deep. Izzy, you could be looking into your future in 1 week. Just saying.
Are you kidding me?
The Kimura, but the power of Zarya. Overpowering Hale, and that's why Zarya is a game changer.
You ain't jiving right there. Zarya is looking to change the whole name of the game by getting a win right here. Moving up the rankings, man. Talk about impressing the suits.
Big
oh, wow.
DDT.
Wow.
Big DDT just countered from Thea Hale. Thea right now trying to get back into this matchup, and oh! So I gotta ask you, Izzy, I gotta get your thoughts on someone like Zaru. Go! Go!
The hell? What the hell? What the hell, Dick?
Our desk is becoming destroyed right now. Izzy hightailing it out of here. Tatum ran right over our heads. Back in the ring. Thea from behind, rolling through. Thea did it. Thea with a huge win.
Here's the winner, Thea Hale.
What the hell just happened?
Wow. Thea Hale just stole one. That's what happened.
Now what?
Oh, wait a minute.
Influence, but why? For what reason?
Fatal influence is in the house. No.
Laney Reed, Fallon Henley, the women's speed champion.
It's about 25 degrees outside, and it's getting hot up in this mud. Oh, yes, man.
Well, Thea said, Zarya, I got your back. And Zarya just dropped Thea for what?
Friends. Friends, man.
Well, that may be the best decision those two have ever made. Zarya in no mood to play games here tonight.